video, I'm going to discuss about nuclear chain reaction. Nuclear chain reaction is the process of breaking apart a larger nucleus and finding small nucleus or tiny nucleuses. Okay, so it's when you use a neutron to shoot a uranium 235, which is basically an enriched enriched uranium, and then you see this whole kaboom. Okay, so how does this happen? So neutron, as you know, it is chargeless, it doesn't have positive or negative charge, so it is used, hence it is used, so that because it doesn't affect the nucleus of uranium 235. As you can see, neutron does not have any charge, so it doesn't get affected. That's why it's a perfect particle to shoot down or to shoot our uranium 235. So what happens is that it shoots uranium 235, then it becomes uranium 236 because of this. See, 235 plus 1, 236. But here is a problem. Here is a problem that this uranium 236 is not stable. It's a very unstable atom. So it breaks apart immediately and it releases high energy, which is basically used to make two things. First of all, it is used to make electricity. Second of all, it is used to make nuclear bomb, right? And then it produces what we know as barium and krypton. It produces barium and krypton. Not only that, it does produce more neutrons. It produces 3 neutrons. Remember guys, what neutron did in the first place. Neutron is the deadly weapon which hits uranium 235 and makes this whole process, and that very neutron is being created now. So what it's gonna do? It's gonna break apart more uranium 235, more uranium 235. That's why once you start this reaction, it will go like in a chain, right? It will happen in a chain. So now this neutron is tearing apart this uranium. Similarly, this neutron is also tearing apart this uranium, and this happens thrice, right? And then from there you get the same thing again. You get high energy, you get barium, you get krypton, you get 3 more neutrons, and from the same type of reaction you get the similar things, and here you get the similar things as well. So this is what happens. And then from each of those neutrons you have more reaction like this, and this keeps on happening indefinitely. This is why nuclear chain reactions are the deadliest, because if you want to make a bomb, you don't control this chain, you just make them or keep them happening. You just keep the chain happening, you don't stop it. But if you want to use it for more friendly purpose, for example to generate electricity, then you must control these reactions. So how do you do that? You control it by using what we call moderator, and then we use control rod in a nuclear reactor. So we will learn about that in our reactor physics course. That's all from this video. Subscribe to my channel to learn more.